Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix a mouse that double clicks when you only click once in Windows 11. If one click is opening files, selecting items, or triggering a double click action, don't worry. I will start with the fix that can solve this problem for many people. Then move on the other methods if it doesn't work. Let's get started. First, let's adjust the double click speed in Windows 11. Open the Windows Start menu. Search for mouse settings. Open it. Scroll down and click Additional Mouse Settings. The Mouse Properties window will open. Go to the Buttons tab. Look for double click speed. Move the slider slightly towards low. Now double click the test folder next to the slider. Keep adjusting the speed until the folder opens normally with a deliberate double click. Then click Apply and click OK. Now test your mouse by clicking normally on files and folders. If the problem was caused by the double click speed setting, this should fix it. If you are still getting double clicks from a single click, let's check your Windows 11 click settings. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top. Then select Options. Under the General tab, look for click items as follows. Make sure double click to open an item, single click to select it is selected. Then click Apply and click OK. Test your mouse again. If the problem continues, let's update or reinstall the mouse driver. Right click the Start button, then select Device Manager. Expand the mice and other pointing devices section. Find your mouse in the list. Right click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for an available driver and install it if one is found. After the update is complete, restart your computer and test the mouse again. If updating the driver doesn't help, you can reinstall the mouse device. Go back to Device Manager. Right click your mouse. Then select Uninstall device. Click Uninstall if you are asked to confirm. Your mouse may stop responding temporarily. You can then click Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows should detect and reinstall the mouse automatically. You can also restart your computer and Windows should reinstall the device during startup. Test your mouse again after Windows loads. You should also test the mouse on another USB port if you are using a wired mouse. If possible, connect the mouse to another computer and check whether the same problem happens there. This can help determine whether the issue is with Windows 11 or the mouse itself. If the mouse still double clicks with a single click on another computer, the mouse may have a hardware problem, such as a worn out switch. In that case, replacing the mouse may be the best solution. And that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.